Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove background from a video. So basically, if you're struggling with removing a background from this video, then all you have to do is to just go to Google web browser or Google and then search for remove background for video if you want to be very specific for free. So here in Google, or Google will show you some websites where you can remove the background of your video. However, there are some sites that are not for free. So all you have to do is to basically select which one you want to try. For example, I'm going to scroll down right here and then click this Cat Out Pro. Tap this one, okay, or this remove BG. So you can just basically explore. So I'm going to choose this one right here. What you're going to do is you have to upload that video that you want to remove the background here. Click this one and then you have to sign in first as much as possible. So you have to select that video that you wanted to add right here or remove the background. So it is said that you have to create an account or connect your account first. So as you can see, it is now processing. All you have to do is to wait. So here you can see two sides. First, you have the original, and then on the other side is the result. So you have to wait, and this is what it looks like. So once done, all you have to do is download HD. But as you can see, like what I've mentioned earlier, there are some sites that not for free. So you need to buy credits or you need to upgrade your plan into Pro in order for you to remove the background of your video. But don't worry, in the tutorial, I'm going to show you or I'm going to let you know some tools that can help you remove the background of your video. So first is Canva. Now in Canva, all you have to do is to create an account. And however, in Canva, you need to be a Canva Pro also. But don't worry, the amount that you're going to purchase or it's not that really expensive compared to other sites. So let's just say if you're a pro here in Canva, all you have to do is to upload the video. And in Canva Pro, you will see this video remover option. And as easy as you just have to click this one, wait for a couple of seconds, and you will see the result right away. So for example, I'm going to click this video remover, then the background of my video will be removed. And the difference is that Canva is really clean compared to other tools. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And apart from that, you can also replace the background of your video. And there are tons of elements here, scenarios, and things that you can search here in Canva that you can replace or could be used to replace your background video. However, if you want to use this tool, you need to upgrade in the following. So Pro, Business, or Enterprise. But once you are pro here in Canva, then there will be a lot of features that you can unlock. So for example, this one with the green screen, all you have to do is again tap on the picture remover, wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see the result right away. And as you can see, the background has been removed. And if you want to change the background using Canva, then all you have to do is go to Elements and then search for the specific background that you want. Okay, set this as image background or video background, and then detach the first video or paste it. Then you should see the result right away. So let me detach the original video first, replace the background, okay, and then let me copy this, okay, drag the background that I want, okay, detach first, okay, copy, now drag the video that you want to set as a background video, and then paste the video or the original video. And this is what it looks like. So, however, the main thing is that if you want to remove the background, you just have to tap on the picture remover. As easy as that. So, another thing is that aside from Canva, there is also this what we call CapCut. In CapCut, it's not just for like editing or animations or whatsoever. In CapCut, you can also remove your video background. So let me skip this part or let me tap on the X and then go to my CapCut. Okay, so here is the CapCut, and all you have to do here is to just basically import the video that you want the background to be removed. So, for example, this one right here, all you have to do is go to Remove BG. There are three options here like auto removal, custom removal, and Chrome key. So, as you can see, all you have to do is to click. You will see the result right away for auto removal. It's now processing. If you are not satisfied, and then basically you can choose the other option. You can choose the custom removal. Okay, but usually the best result for this is the auto removal. So if I'm going to click the Chrome key here, okay, tap on apply. As you can see, sometimes the result is not good, but usually if you know or if the video is good and you can just basically erase whatever it is, then you can tap on the auto removal or just click the Chrome key. Okay, so most of the cases the results are good, most of the cases it's not. But I also prefer this CapCut if you want to use a free tool for removing a background. It could be video, it could be picture. Then you can replace a background here for this one. Okay, so we have Canva, we have CapCut, and again, you can go to web browser again and then scroll and search for other websites that can help you remove your or remove the background of your video. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.